Many English learners often ask the same question. Is grammar really important for speaking English? This is a topic where people have different opinions. Some people say that grammar is not necessary when speaking, and others say that grammar is very important. Let's understand both points of view with real-life examples, so we can find a balanced answer. But before we understand their opinions, what is your opinion about grammar? Is it important or not? Write your view in the comment section below. Now let's look at their opinions. First, let's talk about the people who say grammar is not important. These people believe that the main goal of speaking is to communicate. If you can express your thoughts and other people understand you, then grammar mistakes are not a big problem. For example, imagine a tourist visiting a new country. He goes to a restaurant and says, "Me want food." Now, this sentence is not grammatically correct, but the waiter understands that the person is hungry and wants to eat. The goal of communication is achieved, even though the grammar was not perfect. This shows that in real-life situations, grammar mistakes do not always stop communication. Many of these people believe that focusing too much on grammar can actually stop learners from speaking. They worry about making mistakes, so they stay silent. But when learners are not afraid to make small grammar mistakes, they speak more freely and become more confident. Just think about how children learn to speak. They do not start with grammar books. They listen, copy, and speak. They make many mistakes, but they improve over time. So, this group of people believes that it's okay to speak with mistakes at first. Fluency is more important than perfection. On the other hand, there are people who believe that grammar is very important for speaking. They say that if your grammar is weak, your message might be confusing or unclear. For example, if someone says, "I go to school yesterday," the listener might understand what you mean, but the sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, "I went to school yesterday." The wrong grammar can make you sound less professional, especially in formal situations. In a job interview, for example, speaking with correct grammar shows that you are educated and well prepared. If someone says, "He go office every day," instead of, "He goes to the office every day," it might sound careless or unnatural. This group also believes that good grammar helps you say more complicated ideas. For example, if you want to talk about possibilities, conditions, or polite requests, grammar is very helpful. Saying, "I would like a cup of tea," is more polite than "I want tea." If you understand grammar, you can speak more clearly, politely, and confidently in different situations. That is why some learners focus on grammar from the beginning. So, who is right? The truth is, both sides have a point. If you are just starting to speak English, don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Start speaking now. Use the grammar you know and keep practicing. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. But at the same time, don't completely ignore grammar. Slowly, you should improve it so that your speaking becomes more accurate and natural. In casual conversations, people will forgive small grammar mistakes. But in school, work, or official situations, good grammar will help you sound more professional. In the end, grammar is not something to be afraid of. It is a tool to help you speak better, not a rule to stop you from speaking. Focus on communication first. Then, as you grow, improve your grammar step by step. Speak with confidence. And remember, you don't have to be perfect to be understood. Keep learning, keep speaking, and grammar will become your friend, not your fear.